The socio-political crisis in Haiti has worsened so much that even education is being affected. It's already November, and schools have not opened yet. I've already lost a semester in 2019 during the lockdown period when Jovenel was still president. Can you imagine? I'm lucky enough that Kiskia University has switched most of its classes online, but what about the other children in primary or secondary school? It's so unfortunate that the little access that kids have to go to school is used as a tool to satisfy political and personal interest.
Yeah. As for me, I'm currently enrolled at Notre Dame University. We still have no classes, neither face-to-face nor online. I'm very happy that I still can attend my help classes, leadership, English, IT class. They kept me busy and motivated.
Yes, indeed. Help has overcome so many difficulties to make sure we have the resources and the support we need to cope with these challenging times. Also, without the IT lab, it would have been difficult for us to take the few classes offered by the university.
I particularly appreciate the backup chargers that HELP has put available for students. They've been so useful when we did not have enough fuel to run the generator for a whole day. The situation is stressful. It is difficult to stay focused on our goals, but thanks to the HELP support, like the monthly stipend, the advisors, and the activities set up either by the students and the staff, such as Help Dance Club, Saturday activity, drama club, we can relieve from this stress. We miss the togetherness and the vivid life at the university campus, but we have so many reasons to be grateful. The discussions,
debates,
and games, they were the best therapy to help us cope with this difficult time that we are going through.
Yes, it is. I'm hopeful the situation will improve in the days to come as we continue to stay positive and work for this brighter future for Haiti we all want to see. And we thank all the supporters that are still with us in these difficult times.